We're back now with the doctor from Cone Health Bauer Healthcare at Stony Creek, talking about how to prepare for back to school. A lot of kids already starting to feel anxious and stressed about this. How do you help them with the transition?
Yeah, I would definitely say the most important thing is to talk to them. Try to see what's going on. The needs and concerns of each child are going to be different, so talk to them. Another thing you want to do is to speak to their teacher to try to kind of see what's happening in the school environment that might be causing them some stress or anxiety. And then, of course, you want to get a good mental hygiene routine going. And what I mean by that is getting them in the habit of doing the things that they enjoy that relieve stress and trying to get that into a daily routine. So that could be journaling, coloring, drawing, and making that a routine at the end of the school day so that they're able to de-stress that way.
You talk about talking with the kids, but anyone who has a teenager knows they don't always want to talk. So what are
Yeah.
some warning signs you can watch for to make sure that they're okay as they go back to school?
Some signs to look out for could be irritability. I think I did mention this before. Being less patient or seeming more snappy can be an indicator of like anxiety and stress. Trouble falling asleep or trouble staying asleep, that can also indicate heightened anxiety or stress, and trouble focusing on tasks at home as well.
So as kids go back to school, one of the things that always happens is they start bringing home all the germs from everyone else in their class. How do you prevent that and keep everyone healthy in the family?
You definitely want to make sure you're teaching them good hand hygiene. And so, of course, a big part of that is hand washing, right? You want to wash at least for 20 seconds. You want to lather up with good soap, and you want to get the back of your hands in between your fingers and under your nails as well. And it's important to know what times you should be washing your hands. So anytime before lunch or before handling your food, of course, after using the bathroom, but also after you've been coughing or sneezing or blowing your nose, and after you've been outside playing or touching any animals or pets in the school.
Any tricks to get kids to stick to this?
Uh, Frequent reminders throughout the day. And hopefully, uh, with the summer break, at present, you can be kind of like instilling those habits even now, right? With if they've been touching the pet at home or if they've been playing outside, get them into the habit to come in and wash their hands. They're more likely to remember it at school if they're doing it at home. Another thing is teaching them about personal items, right? Not to share things like their water bottles or, things like lip balm or that kind of thing.
What do we need to do to stock up for our medicine cabinet ahead of the back to school?
Yeah, that's a really, really good one. I actually brought some stuff with me to show. So, our Cone Health community pharmacies do a good job of providing a back to school kit for kids, right? One for the younger grade school kids and another one for older college age kids. And I'll just show you. This is kind of what it looks like. Comes in a bag like that and has a lot of essentials. I'll just show you one or two things. So this is for grade school kids. It does have the essential ibuprofen syrup. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. And it comes with Tylenol as well. And in addition to that, it has Band-Aids, it has a thermometer, and it has solution for allergies, so like Zyrtec syrup. And then we have a similar version for older children, and it has a lot of the same things I was talking about. So I'll only show you perhaps the extra things it comes with that aren't in the other packet. We do have some cough drops, right? That's an important thing to have. And we have some anti-diarrheal tablets for any kind of stomach bugs, which a lot of kids and adolescents get going into the school year. So I
Hopefully
definitely
everyone will be,
recommend kids have candy.
well, it looks like you got everything prepared there, and hopefully the kids stay safe and have a good back to school year. Thank you so much for being here. We've learned so much.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, speaking of back to school, to help students gear up for the new school year, WFMY News 2 will partner with Shift Ed. Don't miss the Tools for School supply drive on Wednesday, August 19th. It's from 6 to 6 at the Walmart on Battleground Avenue. The supplies will fill Shift Ed's new warehouse in Greensboro. You can also donate early by dropping off supplies in collection boxes at area Walmarts throughout the month of August. For full details, check out WFMYnews2.com.